Hello! I'm excited to be trying out something a little bit different today. I have a pretty large cookbook collection, so I thought it would be fun to start trying out some of the recipes from the books that I have. So for the next couple of months, I'm going to be trying some recipes from this book. It's Dominique Ansel, The Secret Recipes. I'm really excited about this book. If you don't know who Dominique Ansel is, he's most well known for being the inventor of the cronut. And he came out with this cookbook a few years ago, full of just absolutely beautiful pastries. So I've chosen 10 recipes to try over the next couple months. First recipe I'm going to try are his mini Madeleines. I've never tried Madeleines before. I've heard they're really, really good, and I've been meaning to try them forever, so I thought it would be a good recipe to start with. Also, it's one of the simpler recipes in the book, so it's a good place to dip my toes in. They're basically like little shell-shaped sponge cakes. So he recommends to make it in advance. It's supposed to rest in the fridge overnight. Apparently that helps the baking soda do its thing better and makes them really puff up at the top. All right, so I'm supposed to start by melting the butter, brown sugar, and honey in a medium pot over low heat. And he specifies 84% butterfat butter, and we need 115 grams of that. And I need 15 grams of dark brown sugar and 15 grams of honey. Perfect. All right, so let's head over to the stove. So next, I need to combine the granulated sugar, salt, flour, which is supposed to be sifted, and baking powder in a large bowl. And I'm not sure if that counts as a large bowl, so maybe I'll swap it out for something else. 120 grams sifted. A half teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so a half teaspoon of salt. I need 100 grams of granulated sugar. We'll grab a whisk. Got that all combined. And now he says to take 3 large room temperature eggs, make a little well in the center, and add the eggs one by one, whisking to incorporate each before adding the next. I don't think I can combine this anymore, so I'm going to move on to the next egg. Okay. All right, that looks a little better. One more egg to go. All right, looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So when the eggs are fully incorporated and the batter is smooth, check. Slowly whisk in the butter mixture. All right. So I guess I'll just drizzle that in and whisk a little as I go. Okay, hold on. There we go. All right, so I'm going to drizzle that in and just whisk it a little bit at a time. Okay, one more. All right, that's not bad. Now I'm supposed to whisk in the lemon and orange zest. Oh, that smells amazing. So whisk that in. Oh, that smells so good. I think I actually probably would have been okay with the original bowl I pulled out, and this is going to take a lot of room in the fridge. So I think what I'm going to do is transfer it back into here, because this needs to rest in the fridge overnight before it gets baked. Okay, there we go. Plastic wrap that up. And this is going for a nice long rest in the fridge, so I'll see you again tomorrow. I didn't rest the batter in the fridge overnight. I got a little impatient. It's later the same day. I made the batter this morning and now it's like dinner time. I have the oven preheated to 375 like it says in the recipe. I want to give it a shot now. I can't wait to see how it turns out. I don't really want to wait till tomorrow. But it's been in the fridge for like more than 6 hours, so I feel like it's going to be okay, but we'll see. So I'm going to go grab it out of the fridge. Okay, so I'm supposed to put the batter in a piping bag till it's just like 2/3 full. So a few scoops. Okay. Oh, I've got my mini Madeleine pan ready to go, and it's technically non-stick, but I think I want a little extra insurance, so I'm just gonna give it a spray. Gonna cut a little tip off the end. Okay. Let's see. All right, so this is going in the oven for 2 to 2.5 minutes, and then it gets turned halfway and baked for another 2 to 2.5 minutes. So it should be a pretty quick bake. Probably overfilled some of them. Let's see how it turns out. So that's been 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna turn them to the other side. Whoa, they're starting to puff up nicely. I feel like I probably should have put them on an oven tray to make this easier. I think I will on the next batch. All right, let's pull them out. Ooh. Oh, they smell so good. All right, so now I'm supposed to unmold immediately, bang the corner or sides of the Madeleine pan against the work surface so that the fresh Madeleines drop out. Let's hope, oh, ah! All right, this is awkward, okay. Ah, going everywhere. Okay, a couple of them got stuck. All right. Okay, but these are supposed to get dusted with powdered sugar right away, so let's try that. Oh, those are good. A little bit crunchy, really nice and warm and pillowy on the inside. I love the citrus from the orange and the lemon zest. No, these are awesome. I would definitely make these again. No, don't judge me too hard while I stand here and eat this entire plate to myself. All right, so it's the next morning, and I did have some batter left over in the fridge after the couple batches I tried last night. So I figured I might as well try resting it overnight and see how much of a difference it makes. So let's try it out. Nice. All right, so these are headed in the oven. Ooh. Ah. Well, I'll be damned. They really do rise a lot better if you do rest the batter overnight. So I promise, Chef Dominique Ansel, I'll never question your advice again. These look awesome. Let's see if they come out of the pan though. Yeah, it's not really much of a non-stick pan even with pan spray. So my final verdict, I think these are delicious. They're not hard to make. It is a bit of a bummer to have to wait overnight for them to rest in the fridge, but it's not a big deal. They really are good. Definitely would make again. Nice, simple recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.